Term extension and extending the length of a term are related but distinct concepts, often used in academic or contractual context. Sanabinda mashuka kuda pakoina chinzi, ZANU-PF seeks to extend the term in the term and not the presidential term that was subscribed or like on the bell icon. Tibina pangwa ine, muzimu aiva mdangala chidi term extension refers to adding more time to the end of a fixed term contract, agreement, or academic program while keeping the original terms and conditions intact. The duration of term is extended, but the nature of the government remains the same. In this case, the president is given a term extension to complete his work, pushing the election deadline from March to June or to 2030. In essence, what ZANU-PF is asking for is not an extension of term limits. Term limits are a product of the Constitution. Extending the length of a term refers to changing the duration or length of the term itself, often involving a renegotiation of the original agreement. This can involve altering the terms, conditions, or scope of the original contract. It is common to extend a term from 365 days to 400 days with the corresponding changes to election dates and term structure. Examples of term extension controversies include Venezuela undergo Hugo shows where constitutional changes allowed him to extend his term. Across parts of Africa, some leaders have attempted to extend their terms, sparking protest, but Zimbabwe is not talking about extending a term, only adding days within the existing terms. Putting more tea into a teapot is not the same as enlarging the teapot. The specific laws governing presidential terms vary widely. The Zimbabwe Constitution, specifically Section 91, states that a president is limited to 2 5-year terms. To increase the length of a term without extending the term itself, the Constitution may not need to be amended. However, Section 328 explicitly prevents a sitting president from benefiting from amendments to term limits, meaning any changes would only apply to the future presidents. To amend the Constitution, a bill must be passed by a 2/3 majority in both the National Assembly and the Senate, then approved by national referendum. Thomas Shokari Zimbabwe podza mafunguro enyu motikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi chiri kuzama ava kuelaboratewa ava nana Dr. Masimba Mavaza. Pena comment section medu za mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.